Hey folks, we just got back out here with the Caprice. This thing is running so much better since we got it all tuned up. That video, if it's not out yet, I'll leave a link up below and you guys can check that out later. But today, we are going to get the Impala from storage. We got the diesel hooked up to my open car trailer. It is a beautiful like 45 degrees today, so a little chilly, but it's sunny so it feels warm. We're gonna go get the Impala out of storage and bring it back to the farm because we have a race in 4 weeks and I have not touched the car all winter, and I ripped the suspension out of the back of the car when we cut a 560 foot up at Top End Dragways in Glendon. And that was last year. That was the last race of the season, obviously, because we ripped the suspension out of it. So let's go get the car. All right, we made it out here to the heated garage where I stored my car over the winter time. Huge shout out to my girlfriend's parents for letting me do that. And we are gonna get the Impala out of the garage onto the trailer, get it back home so we can work on it and get it ready for racing season. But we have a few flat tires and other stuff from not maintaining it at all over the winter time, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. This is exactly how you want your tires to look when you're pulling your car out of storage. All 4 of them were low. One was completely flat, one was almost flat. The car has been sitting in this heated garage for about 6 months, and we're going to go ahead and see if it'll fire up. Batteries have been on a charger maintainer all winter long. It is on the original fuel that was stored on, and it is a carburetor with no choke, about 45 degrees today. So we'll see how it starts. Battery switch is off. As you guys may remember, we did a giveaway for the Super Sport badge off of the Impala. It is still missing because I have not put the new ones on yet. That is one of the to-do things to get this ready for racing season. So let's go ahead, get the car on the trailer. Car's loaded up. We're gonna head back to the farm, get this thing off the trailer. That way we can stage it to get ready to be worked on. Back to the farm. Well, we made it back to the farm. That was smooth and easy. The diesel tows the Impala way better than the Trailblazer did. If you guys remember, the Trailblazer towed it back out to the storage before the winter time. I'll link that video up here. You guys can watch that if you want. We don't have a space inside for the Impala right now because we are occupado on stuff that is broken. So we are going to put the Impala inside the big race trailer for now, just to keep it out of the elements, rain, snow, slush, hail, whatever. So that's what we're gonna do now. Back it off this trailer, put it in the big trailer. Well guys, here we are under the car. I wanted to show you guys what is actually wrong with this. Check out this beautiful QA1 suspension. We've got upper and lower 4-link bars. We have QA1 coilovers up there. This is just a really nice piece. These are adjustable, as are the coilovers, obviously. We've got our nice Quick Performance 4.9" in here with Moser axles and a billet steel center section. So that's a really nice piece also from Quick Performance. This was a bolt-in piece for the 65 to 70 Chevy Impalas. Nice B-body upgrade. Same with the QA1 suspension that we got going on here. That is a bolt-in upgrade for the 65 to 70 Chevy B-body. So let's get on to what is actually wrong with the car. These are the pieces supplied by QA1 that back the upper 4-link bar on both sides. What we had in the car beforehand was a lot bigger. Our piece of steel was probably this wide and it went the entire span of the crossmember here. And as you guys can see what happened, we ripped the QA1 suspension, well, the QA1 upper link bar bracket is what I'll say, right out of the crossmember, almost right out totally of the crossmember on our 1.5 60-foot pass up at Top End Dragway last fall. Not only did we rip one side out, we actually ended up ripping both sides out of the crossmember. This side is not quite as bad as the other side, but that side's ripped out too. We got a crack up there. Our game plan here is going to be drill a hole on each side of the crack on both sides, V it, pound it back in place, weld it, and then we're going to fish plate the bracket on top of the crossmember here and hope that that is enough to keep it back in place. You can see we do have some structural improvements here on this side to keep the lower link bars in place. If I remember right, this crossmember has already been ripped out of the car for almost this exact same reason before. So we're going to try to weld it up and prevent that from happening again so we can race this season. So I just wanted to show you guys what was actually wrong with the car. That way you guys have a better idea of what's going on. Now, without further ado, let's get the Impala in the other trailer. have it, guys. More storage. We're gonna get to the Impala here probably within the next week. We got to get that thing fixed so we can make it to racing season on time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe right here in the corner of this video. Comment below what you guys would like to see more of here on the channel. We'll see you next week on the Mickelson Racing channel.